Hey everyone, it's David from Soft Wash Evolution. Welcome back to another gutter cleaning video. This house I'm about to clean the gutters on, it's a real small one-story ranch, and if you've watched my channel before, you might recognize it. It's the house I shot the video this summer of washing painted cedar siding. It's the small blue one with the red shutters, and it had the bat coming out of the gutter, if you remember that video. But this one is going to take me about 15 minutes. It has gutter guards. I'm just going to use a leaf blower and a brush to clean this place off. Watch how I do it, and you can make yourself 150 bucks in 15 minutes. So I'm just going to use the leaf blower, a brush, a ladder. That's pretty much it. My little electric Milwaukee's right there. I have an extra battery in my pocket because you know that'll die at the worst possible time. My ladder's here, a one-story house. Very small, very easy to do. So normally I wouldn't recommend this carrying the camera and the leaf blower at the same time, but we're going to do it. We're up here. I already put my brush up here. I'm going to use that to brush off the pine needles that are stuck. Show you these gutter guards. Metal, the aluminum style gutter guards, perforated ones. They're screwed in. She's got a lot of oak leaves and a lot of pine trees. I'll show you what she's got here. Walk up to the peak. Roof's not very steep, easy to walk this one. Most of the trees have shed their leaves, the oaks have not. Oaks in this area tend to keep their leaves, about 50% of their leaves all winter, depending on the type of fall and winter we have, how dry it is. Pines, white pines like those, again, they're evergreen. They will keep their leaves or their needles all year. The oaks turn brown, lose about 50% of their leaves. The rest stay all winter. The ones that are bare, other species of trees, they've all dropped. So I'm gonna hold this thing, go around the leaf blower, clean this roof off. Use the brush on the pine needles. See what we got for time. 10:54. The wind's gonna help me and hurt me at the same time. So we'll get up to the highest part of this roof here in the middle. Let's work our way down. So I've got my brush. I'm just going to finish off cleaning off those gutter guards. It's 11:03. So it's a few minutes of leaf blowing. And actually, I've got my brush, like I said. You could have the brush in one hand, leaf blower in the other, or you could use a more powerful blower and really get every bit of that out of there. I just used my brush right now because I was filming. So take a few more minutes, go along this whole edge. If I can do this left-handed. Maybe I should have worn the camera on my head or on my chest or something. So I'll go along the brush like that, and I'll push the last few bits of pine needles especially. See how clean the gutter guards are behind my brush. In front, there's a little bit of junk, especially on that edge. Just gonna clean it all off. We'll go around the whole place like this. Very simple. Could do this at the same time as the blower, or if, like I said, if you use like a gas-powered blower, a big steel one or something, you could probably knock every bit of this out just with the blower. That's how I do it. Small places like this. Roof is not steep, so it's easy to walk. Whole thing's like 15 minutes. 150 bucks. Not a bad grab. I'd rather do this than those big two-story ones where you have to dig there and move the ladder 15 times. This is one trip up the ladder, one trip down. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.